guys, it's me, Leah, and welcome back to Officially Leah. So as you can tell, first of all, it is very sunny. Well, kind of. It's very hot, and I'm sweating because, first of all, I'm wearing leggings, and it's 85 degrees outside, and I'm literally about to boil. Well, I'm already boiling, but like, that's not the point. Well, thank God for the wind, because I would literally be, dead. But if you can't really hear me well, that's because of the wind. I mean, there's pros and cons about everything. So yeah, please, if you can't hear me, we may put on subtitles because me and my mom are going to be editing this video.
So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I need to learn how to actually speak in videos because I'm being the most boring person on earth right now. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm doing a new improved stretching video, just a tutorial, and what I learned over the past year, and it is a new year. It's already has been for like 4 months, but yeah, we're
stretching too.
It's gonna be stretching. So I think we should start by showing my products. Well, we're just looking around the house, and we found this big triangle thingy. Little triangle pillow, which is good. Ow, I'm gonna ruin my braids. Well, back bends. That's nice. And I have some random dandy pillows for splits. You know. No, that's the whole point. And then I have some stretchy thingies. These are all for my legs. I just realized that. Oh, no, they aren't. Hold on, I'm very... Whoa. Yeah, just stretchy things. Okay, yeah. There's gonna be a whole blob of things right here because I don't feel like putting them on. But yeah, let's start with leg flex. Back? Let's do back flexibility. So let's get our pillow. So, as you can... When? So, get on the floor. Yeah. Put your hands up, and you're in a braid. Get out. You have to put all your weight on your feet and make sure there's a pillow. Oh my God, the wind! Make sure there's a pillow under you. And just push. And you're up. Oh my gosh, the wind! Well, that's how you get out of a bridge. That was probably not helpful at all. But here's how you get into a bridge. Or may I say, a back bend. So first, you want to put all your weight, you want to measure your weight, actually. So, some weight on your feet, some weight on your arms. And you want to make sure you don't go like that. Because that has happened to me way too many times. And it hurts really bad. Like, really bad. But yeah. Why am I having a mental block on something that I already know? Well, put your hands up. Make sure they're to your ears all the time. And just... slowly, just start like this, and arch your back, and go into a bridge. And you can show off a little, and then climb your way up. I haven't done that in a long time, but that's how you do a bridge. And back to back flexibility, if you actually want to do that stuff and you're not flexible at all. Here's some stretches. So you want to get on your knees and put your arms a little, and then arch your back, grab your feet, and pull back. Oh, that was bad. Oh! Okay. That. That was hard. But yeah. Just practice that over and over, or you can just go into a bridge and practice rocking back and forth. Oh wait, where am I going? Oh, there I go. Let's go. Rock, 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 rock. And then, oh my God, I'm really about to pass out.
You want to take a break?
I'm fine. that's how you do some back flexibility. And if you want more, I have a lot of TikToks about flexibility first off, and I can give you some tips on TikTok and my YouTube channel right here. So make sure to go follow me on TikTok. It's officially Leah Backup, but the O in officially is a 0. I made that name a long time ago, but it's just that, and it's my main, and it's not fake. So yeah, go follow it for more tips and tricks. So moving on to leg flexibility, my probably favorite part about flexibility. Well, here's how to get the main old splits. So a lot of people are having trouble with splits because I agree that they are probably really hard when it comes to leg flexibility, I guess. So this is why I got my little stretchies. I'm falling over. My little stretchies. And move this. And my pillows. So you just want to stack up 2 or 3 pillows. I'm using 2. And just go over them and try to do a split. Like, I'm in kind of like a triangle shape right now. So just kind of get comfortable with it. Keep stretching yourself out. And then you can remove the pillow. I'm super close to my splits right now. Make sure you get comfortable and remove your last pillow, and then you have your splits. So it's not that easy. You still have to do stretches, but here are some common stretches and easy stretches, which is a lunge. Most people, dancers, gymnasts use lunges. It's very common, so I promise I'm not trying to hurt your legs. Just do lunges and kind of wiggle yourself in. And you can do lunges like this, so your whatever this part is called can stretch a little, and then you have your split. And if you're a lefty, which I'm not, here's, you can just do a lunge on this side. And I don't have my split on my left side yet, but if you have, you can try. And honestly, that's how I usually stretch. I use the skills that I don't have yet to stretch. So this is like a good stretching motion if you don't have your splits yet. You can use the trick you're trying to get the trick. Okay, it is time for the next trick, which is a simple oversplit. So what you want to do is get a surface. You can use it with pillows, but I'm doing my handy dandy triangle thingamajiggy pillow. So what you want to do, I want to kind of move in the shade because it's really sunny. You want to put your good leg up for your splits, and you can do lunges on here as well. Like, it actually works really nice. But you can also do splits. You might want to come on this side because I'm literally about to. Okay. Oh my god, that hurts. But yeah, if you're more flexible than me, then you have no problem. But gosh, it's so hot. Please ignore me, literally.
Go get some water, maybe.
What? You threw my water bottle! Okay, back in action. Oh, leg hold. Okay, so here's how you do a leg hold. So, you want to start your legs out, turning into a ballerina now. Okay, pretend you're in a TikTok trend. Work it, play it, do it, miss it. And then, you just want to grab your foot and lift it up. And do that. Or you can just do a kick. That kind of counts as well. But just a normal leg kick. And yeah. Leg hold. And I literally cannot speak. The stretches for this is lunges as well. or side lunges. Like this. This is a side lunge. It works for middle splits and leg holds. So just do it on both sides. And you can do also a leg hold on the ground, which is very hard. Oh my god. And if you have these little stretching thingies, it is very easy just to grab your leg, go up, go on your side, and stretch.
That hurts.
Ah! It's hitting my shoulder. Oh my god. But yeah, that's how you stretch. Okay, guys. Gosh, wind. Well, I am back and ready for a chin stand and headstand. That is very unexpected, but I actually learned how to do a headstand. Surprise. Move these babies out of the way. There we go. Well, here is here's a chin stand. You want to get your jazz hands out, and you want to kind of go like this. This is the so you want to push and then, yeah, I look like, okay. So you want to get on your knees, you want to get your jazz hands, and arch your back, and roll. And kick your legs up until they are straight, or you can bend them if you want, like this. Straight, or, oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm holding on for dear life. Or bent. And now, headstand. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ow. Oh. That was fun. Well, here's how to do a headstand. You want to get on your knees just like the chin stand, and I'm going to put some pillows in front of me because I am not an expert. Yet. Don't put yourself down. So, you want to go on your knees, and you want to put your hands, wow, I just forgot the name of my hands, and you want to put your head on, and just drag your feet, and try to balance, and then fall, because eventually you will, sadly, but that's how to get inside, in. Okay, I'm speaking nonsense now. But here is full. I really tried. That's how you do headstands. Oh my god! I just forgot my favorite trick of all time. My favorite trick of 2020. And my favorite trick of 2021. The neighbors are probably about to call the police on us for yelling. And elbow and bam. So, how to do this, you want to get on your knees, you want to get your good leg on, or your bad leg. You don't want to go like this. Oh, your bad leg. For handstands, you do your good leg. Oh, no, you don't. For handstands, this is my good leg for handstands. So, you want to do your good leg for an elbow handstand. So, you get on your knees, you're going to stick one out, you kind of want to be on your tippy toes, and kind of approach it like a chin stand, like kind of roll, but instead you go on your arms. So you kind of roll and kick. That's how you do it. And here are some poses to hold it longer. I usually do bend or this. I usually do this. That one looks ugly. Or this. Hold on. This. Oh. Or this. Oh my god, I did it once again. Ow! I'm gonna twist my arm, but make sure you don't, because, oh god. Remember to stretch before this. Do all the stretches I just told you before you want to approach any of this. Are the neighbors out?
No.
Oh. What were you pointing at? Oh, needle. Okay. Well, here comes my needle. Okay. I haven't done a needle in a super long time. I'm about to get bitten by a scorpion. Here's how you do a scorpion. Just. Woo. And here's a needle. I haven't done a needle yet. A long time. Oh, I can't even approach it. That's awesome. Okay, that's the best I can do. That's how you do it. Scorpio. Scorpion. That was fun. Do that if you have one of these. But this is kind of the end of the video, I guess. Unless I think of something else to do. But yeah, I'm sorry that this video was kind of confusing. It was just all over the place because
It's hot, Leah.
I can't process myself when I'm literally sweating. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys get any of these tricks and your dream trick if you want. Always stretch before. You don't want to break or pull a muscle because I've done that before. Or twisted, yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for move your legs, please. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learn how to not fall on your neck when you're doing a back bend. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.